6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, and welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Our live sky cam off to Lexington there. Look at Corpus Christi Bay. There's usually whitecaps out there on a July afternoon like this, and it is almost flat and indicative of how light the winds are going to be, except near thunder shower activity this weekend. We had some thunder showers and storms roll through. They are passing off to the west. The high cloud tops indicated in red here. Then a quiet period before we get into additional activity out here in the Gulf, also coming off Louisiana, all pinwheeling in around another little disturbance. As far as the Doppler radar, the showers and thunderstorms were heavy earlier today, dropped that funnel cloud down, and perhaps tornado there near Rockport on 35. That has pushed off to the west. There was a warning for B County for tornadic activity around 3 o'clock this afternoon, but nothing materialized out of that. That is this storm right here that tracked on to the west and weakened, but it's still pretty heavy out to the west right now around Tilden, between there and Cotulla and southwest of Flowerton. The reason I point this out is that's on the Nueces River. Check that. That's on the Frio River, so that would help out Choke Canyon, and that is good news out there for those folks receiving that rain. So we're quiet here now. It's going to be a wonderful evening except for the mosquitoes, and then you've got the activity out in the Gulf, which will wane this evening and then rebuild towards daybreak, and then these showers will gradually start on the coast in the morning sometime between 8 and noon and push in during the afternoon. So there's the next tropical wave that has moved ashore across the coastal bend. All this is happening because of high pressure to the north, both at the surface and in the upper levels, and that's pushing this moisture across the Gulf. Lifting is occurring when the tropical wave hits shore, and also with daytime heating. That's what happened today. So Saturday and Sunday we're going to see scattered to numerous showers and thunder showers once again. Not a washout, but we'll have considerable amount of rain. And then on Monday and Tuesday, high pressure starts to suppress this activity to the south, so the tropical showers will become more isolated. So less activity Monday and Tuesday, and then drying out after that with that high returning. Future tracker showing some rain tomorrow around noon. I think there'll be more than that, and then clearing up in the afternoon, just like it did today. And on Sunday, the same thing. We'll see showers mainly in the morning, early afternoon, pushing away, and then drying out here as we get into Monday. Rainfall amounts are going to vary widely, and again, I think these totals are a little bit on the light side across the region. As far as the long-range model, again, it's picking up around 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain here through Tuesday of next week, additionally from what we had today. The winds, I mentioned, are going to be very light, calm in the morning, and just a light breeze in the afternoon. Speaking of the winds, we have Hurricane Beryl is the name, out in the Atlantic with 80-mile-an-hour winds. First hurricane of the season. This is not a threat to this area, and it is expected to weaken once it moves into the Caribbean. So again, not a problem, not a threat for us here in South Texas due to wind shear. Your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast: 73 and 88 tomorrow with scattered thunder showers, 89 on Sunday, the same scattered activity. Reduced to isolated showers Monday and Tuesday, and then very hot and steamy after that for Wednesday through Friday of next week. Priscilla?